It's me. It's Mr. Morrison, and today is Friday. It is the last day of the week, and today we are going to be focusing on dividing unit fractions by whole numbers. So this one, you are thinking that you're going to start with a unit fraction, which is, again, a fraction with a 1 as the numerator, and you're going to divide it into equal pieces. Just like you normally divide anything, usually your answers get in smaller. But again, you're dividing by a whole number. So, like Mr. Morrison, yesterday we were dividing whole numbers by unit fractions, and that was super easy. And we learned keep, change, flip, KCF, which sounds like KFC, but it's just as crispy and delicious if you get it right. All right. So make sure you're watching this video because it is super important to watch this video because guess what? It's going to walk you through the first 3 problems. So if you need any help, I got you. So what this is asking is I have 1/3 divided into 6 equal pieces. So that's basically just saying I got a third. So I got this third right here. And I need to divide it. So like I got a third of a pizza. And I need to share that with 6 friends. So I got to take my whole. You can't just, okay. So you got to figure out how much just this little piece does each person get. So you're like, man, Mr. Wilson, that's super tiny. That's less than what I started with. And that is correct. So, and you look and you're like, that's 6, 8, 12, or 6, 12, 18. So that's 1/18. That is correct. Or back to this, keep, change, flip. So you're starting with the third. Because again, you're starting with the third. That's crucial. Because if you mix this up, you're going to get 18, and that's the wrong answer. And you're dividing it by 6. So remember, keep, change, flip. So, and again, you're not starting with 6 pieces. You're starting with 1/3. Again, crucial. So keeping, okay, so Morrison's writing upside down and backwards. So keep, change, flip. All right, so here we go. KCF. Keeping 1/3. Changing that to multiplication. We're going to flip this 6 into 1/6. That's what we call a reciprocal, but you don't need to know that word right now. Just know that we're just flipping. And again, it's like flipping a hamburger or flipping like a piece of chicken at KFC. I don't know if they flip chicken because I've never worked at KFC, but we're not at KFC. We're at KCF. So 1 times 1 is 1, and 3 times 6 is 18. So we solved the same problem 2 different ways. And guess what? In math, that's super important to be able to solve it more than one way. So, all right. So where's 1/18? We got D. See if we were right. Boom, girlfriend. We are correct. Yeah. Good job. So let's check this one out. So we got 1/12 divided by 4. Ooh, 1/12 divided by 4. This one I'm not going to draw a picture. So like you got 1/12 of a cup of salsa. So that's not even that much salsa to begin with. It's kind of like, not that much. And you're going to divide it by 4. So you already know this is going to be tiny, a little bit amount of salsa. So it's kind of like the bottom of a Nutella jar, and you got to share it with 4 of your brothers and sisters, or 3 and you. So it depends on how you say that. So again, KCF, KCF. We're going to keep it. We're going to change it, and we're going to flip it. Keep the ones all the way across. Boom. 1 times 1 is 1. 12 times 4 is 48. And again, that's leaving us with B. And guess what? I guarantee if you're not watching this video, you probably picked D. Because if you put the 4 first and did it wrong, because again, this is you're taking 1/4 and seeing if you take that 4th and slice it up into, or 1/12 and slice it up into 4 equal pieces, you get 1/48. Each one of those little pieces is 1/48 of the whole. So again, please make sure you're paying attention because I don't want you clicking D because you're going to get the wrong answer. But guess what? I'm going to say, did you watch the video? Anyone that puts D, I'm going to be like, I guess you didn't watch this video because Mr. Morrison just told you the answer. All right, last one. All right, so we got 1/10. Let's see, Mr. Morrison's here. 1/10 divided by 2. So this basically means I'm taking 1/10 and I'm going to split it in half. So like, what is a half of 1/10? That's basically what this is asking. 1/10 or 1/2 of 1/10. Okay. So keep, change, flip, KCF. So we got 1/10. Changing that to multiplication. Changing that to a half. So 1/10 of 1/2. So here we go. So 1 times 1 is 1, and 10 times 2 is 20. So the correct answer is 1/20. So let's see. Do you guys see it? Not 20. Because again, 20 means you put it the wrong direction, and that would not be right. Because that means you took a tenth and you cut it in half and you got 20? How's that possible? That's not even possible. So the correct answer is D. Let's check it out. The correct answer was D. So again, Mr. Morrison's about to sign off here. And again, I hope you had a good week. And again, if you guys need any help, please reach out to Ms. Dyer, Mr. Morrison, or Miss Mo, or Miss Stoll, and we will definitely be able to help you. Because again, we are a team and we are a family. And again, if you need any help with some KFC, I am not your go-to man. But if you need some help with some KCF and keep change flip, let me know and I'll be here to help. Okay. And again, until next time, you guys have a good day. Enjoy the weekend. Stay safe. And again, good luck, my little magical magicians.